So there guys, welcome back to the iFishing Guernsey. Tonight we're coming out bass fishing again. We start with the Savage gear tonight. Be chopping and changing. For the reel, so the Abu Garcia Max 40, loaded with 20-pound braid. And then for the rod, we've got the Pan Pursuit 2. So hopefully it's going to do the business, 20 to 50 gram. So perfect for bass fishing. And hopefully we can find that big one in the night. 9 times out of 10 you get the bigger fish lurking in the night time as that tide pours in. Low tide's just gone, so we're going to be fishing tide coming up for a good few hours and see what we can do. Let's get on with the fishing. Come on, Mr. Basil. First cast. Yeah, behind the heads and that there you might find something lurking. Got Jason out of us tonight. See if we can get him his first bass in a while. All we've done is a nice steady retrieve, guys, to start with. Nice and slow, so the odd twitch. And hopefully Mr. Basil comes and munch us. Still low yet anyway. Got a long way of tide coming up. So that's the lure we're using to start with. Good old Savage gear, a lot of movement in the tail. 15 gram this one. Yeah, straight up and over the back there, I reckon. So I'll change over a lure, guys. Come back out again after this one. But I'm going to try Mr. Faithful, I think. Let's call this one the Bass Slayer. The Savage gear, this one, V2. Been killing for bass recently for me. Beautiful. We're using these clip swivels. So you can just pop the lure on and off. But yeah, see if we can do the business with this one. Got tons of those in there, all those in there, guys. Told you they're in there. Only a schoolie, but feeling bang 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 the whole way in, like. Not a bad fish actually. Yeah, that's a decent fish. Yeah, I thought he was smaller than that. Yeah, I was bringing down there. Bloody hell, he didn't really fight. That's a lovely fish, flipping out. Oh, beautiful. That's probably about 3-4 pound fish, huh? Get him off the hook. It's a little beauty. There we are, guys, first bass of the night. Probably about 3 pound fish. Went like an absolute steam train. It's gonna get him off the hook and I'll get you a better shot. Yeah, there's bass everywhere in here. So that's you cracking fish. Told you, just waiting for that right time for the tide. And all of a sudden you get slammed by them. If we can get another one, that'd be awesome. Was it £3 too? That's not bad. Bigger than the ones told like in the night time. Got the bigger fish. We're gonna get kicked off this rock in a minute, that's the only problem. Yeah, we'll only go on to that one over there. I told you, like as that tide picks up, they come right up the beach. Nice table-sized fish. I know at least Nan would be happy. At least Nan would be happy anyway. I said I'll get her a fish. Oi. Well, Savage Gear does the job again though. So there's no point outstaying your Wildcon. We get cut off. You don't want to get cut off on the dark in the dark. That's for sure. Yeah, that's it. Sure. Well, we haven't got on that rock there. We go, I reckon, back to the middle. If there's one here, there's got to be more, that's for sure. Just nice to see a bigger fish as well. We'll have to go all the way back round, I think. Back around that way and then back off onto that one. Or into the middle. I don't know, I would have said go to the middle, but we can have a go on that rock and see what happens. Yeah, we can move to the middle if not. At least we haven't blanked anyway again. Yeah, and straight down. Just slow. I thought the tide would have come up a lot quicker than it has, to be honest, but nah. One bass down, so we can get a few more. Happy days. Told you, really right on the beach. That's crazy. Told you about 2 foot of water, bang. Yeah, straight as it hit the water. I did a school here again, but cast right up the beach, right over the back of the boulders there, and they're in there. Again, not bad sized fish here again. Well, not table size, but another little bass. That's 2 now down. In Gold Fast Savage Gear. Beautiful. Get a release of her. Now guys, one last little show of her. And we'll get her back. Beautiful. Yeah, right on the beach. Bang up there I was, literally, bang. I reckon they're sat behind it. There's a few heads in there. They're probably sat behind there, I reckon. Yeah, oh, it's got hit straight away. Huh? No, right over the other side, like casting. There's some few heads there. They're probably sat there as the tide goes over the top. I'm waiting for anything to come over the top. Just a dull thud again. Yeah, I'm surprised how much that tide's coming up now. I have to be careful. We'll get you one before the end of the night. Have to. There's one right up there. Take a risky one. Either get a fish or lose the lure. Yeah, it's all boulders now. It's just a Savage Gear, I reckon's killing, I reckon. Jason's having a bit of a bad night on the lures. What's that for? He hasn't lost a lure yet. He's lost 3 already tonight. But he's waiting for that big 8-pound bass to come. Yeah. Jason's lost his 4th lure of the night. It's not going well for him. He probably lost. You're probably about 25 quid down now. Yeah, the lure's getting battered here now. I'm going to have to change the head on that next time. Just an update on Jason. He's up for his 5th lure. Oh, you got it back? That's another one. He's gone for a packet of scaries tonight. Lost 5 lures. Not having a good night. Yeah, I only lost half his rod. I reckon head over the other side anyway before we get cut off. I think stuff going across there when the waves are breaking. It's asking for trouble. I swear I was picked up. It's surprising with the tide. Yeah, I'll have a few chocks over the other side and then we'll call it a night, I reckon. It's gone cold as well. You can tell it's a southeasterly wind. Bloody freezing. So guys, another episode done. There's 2 bass tonight. Been a good session and all. Took a while to get the fish to come in with the tide. It's only small tide, so it takes a while for the tide to bring in the fish. But yeah, I'm happy with the 2 fish. Got 1 keeper from my nan, so she'll be happy with that. And we had that 1 little score that we chopped by. Jason didn't have the greatest tonight. He lost 6 lures in the end. But next time he'll get that big one. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video guys, you can hit the like button, subscribe and share. That'd be awesome. And we'll yeah, catch you on the next one really soon. Cheers for watching.